Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Khulud Mustafa and today we are diving into the step-by-step process of building a software system. This process follows the SDLC. The SDLC is a structured approach used by developers to plan, build, test and maintain software system. Whether you are developing a hotel management system, inventory system or any other type of software, following these steps ensures a smooth and efficient development process. Let's break it down into the key phases. First one is planning. The first and most important step here, we define the goals, scope, and feasibility of the project. Think of it as creating a roadmap before a long journey. It helps us set clear objectives and ensures the project stays on track. The second one is requirement analysis. Now we figure out exactly what the system needs. This involves gathering detailed requirements from stakeholders, understanding user expectation, and determining necessary features. A well-defined requirement phase prevents future issues and makes development easier. The third one is design. Once the requirements are clear, we move on to the designing the system. This phase is like drawing up blueprints for a building. We decide how the software will look and function. This includes system architecture, user interface, and database structure. A strong design ensures the development process runs smoothly and efficiently. The fourth one is development. Now comes the fun part, coding. Developers write the actual code to bring the system to life. This is where the designs and plans are transformed into working software product. Clean, optimized, and well-documented code is essential for long-term maintainability. The fifth one is testing. Once the software is developed, we need to test it for bugs and errors. Testing ensures the system is functional, secure, reliable, and able to handle different conditions. No software is perfect on the first try, so multiple testing cycles are needed before deployment. The sixth one is deployment. This is the moment of truth. The software is officially launched for users, but launching is not the end of the journey. The seventh one is maintenance. After deployment, the software enters the maintenance phase. This means fixing bugs that users report and releasing updates and improvements, ensuring security and stability. Maintenance is critical because software needs to evolve based on users' feedback and new technological advancement. Now let's dive into the details. The first one, planning. Planning is the blueprint of your project. Before starting anything big, you need a plan. Imagine you are building a house. You wouldn't just start hammering nails without knowing the design, right? In software development, planning is where we define the goals of the project, decide on the budget and timeline, identify potential challenges. The second one is requirement analysis, gathering the ingredients. Once you have a plan, you need to figure out exactly what the software should do. This is like making a shopping list before cooking. You need the right ingredients for your recipe. In this stage, developers gather input from users and stakeholders. Identify what the system must include. Document all requirements. Example, for our study partner app, we ask potential users what is important to them. Easy sign up, subject-based matching, extra. What problems do they face? What platforms should it work on, mobile or web? This ensures the app is useful and meets real needs. The third one is design, creating the blueprint. Now that we know what we need, it's time to design the system. This phase is like sketching a layout before building a house. Developers decide how the software will look and function. In this stage, we create wireframes, basic sketches of the app's screens, system architecture, how different parts of the software connect, and database design, how information is stored. Example, for our study partner app, we might design a homepage with options to find or create a study group, a matching system that prints students based on subjects, a chat interface for communication, A good design makes development easier and the app more user-friendly. The fourth one is development software. Building the software. Now comes the exciting part, writing the actual code. Think of this as cooking the dish after gathering ingredients and following a recipe. In this phase, developers write code based on the design, integrate different components, front-end, back-end, database, continuously test small parts as they build. What is a tech stack? During development, you will hear the term tech stack. A tech stack is the combination of programming languages, frameworks, libraries, and tools used to build the software. It's like choosing the perfect set of utensils and ingredients for your favorite recipe. Common tech stacks include Mint Stack, which is MongoDB, Express, JS, Angular, and Node.js, ideal for building dynamic web application. Mern Stack, similar to Mint, but uses React instead of Angular for the front end, popular for single-page application. And LAMP Stack, Linux, Apache, MySQL, and PHP, widely used for web development due to its simplicity and flexibility. Next Stack uses C and the .NET framework, often chosen for enterprises level application on Windows platforms. The fifth one is testing, finding and fixing issues. Before serving a meal, you test it to make sure it is good. Similarly, before launching software, we trust it for errors and glitches. Example, for our study partner app, testers will try signing up with incorrect emails to see if errors appear. Test if the matching system pairs students correctly. Check if messages in the chat system are sent and received properly. Fixing issues before launch ensures a smooth experience for users. The sixth one is deployment and maintenance, serving and improving the software. Once everything is tested and ready, we launch the software. But that is not the end of the journey. Just like a restaurant improves its dishes based on customer feedback, software needs updates and fixes over time. Deployment involves making the software available to users, monitoring its performance, fixing bugs, and adding new features. Maintenance means regular updates to improve functionality, fixing issues as they arise, ensuring the software remains reliable and secure. Example, after launching our study partner app, we might add new features based on student feedback like video calls and fix issues like slow loading times, update security protocols to protect user data. Ongoing maintenance keeps the software reliable and useful for a long time. After launching our study partner app, we might add new features based on student feedback like video calls, fix issues like slow loading times, update security protocols to protect user data. Ongoing maintenance keeps the software reliable and useful for a long time. Conclusion. The SDLC ensures that software is built in a structured, efficient, and high-quality way. By following these steps from planning to maintenance and by choosing the right tech stack during development, you can build something that not only works well, but is also scalable and easy to maintain. Whether you are developing a study partner app, a hotel management system, or any other type of software, this principle applies. Thanks for joining me on this journey. If you have any question or want to dive deeper into any of these topics, let me know in the comments. Happy coding and see you in the next video.